I say that truth is stranger than fiction. And number one, in this day and age, if you are hearing things that you are used to hearing and you still in hell, then obviously you must seek alternative things to expand your mind. You understand? If there's such thing as 360 degrees of knowledge, then when a person is coming up and giving you things that might sound strange, if you say that person is crazy, then you must have the handle on it. You must have all the knowledge that you're supposed to have. And my point is, if you got all this particular knowledge or spirituality, why the hell are you still in hell? Right? Why you haven't gotten out of anything at this particular point? You know what I'm saying? Number one, I will say this. You can't buy your way out of this. You can't make no deals with the devil. And I'll say this because I don't want to put no spoof on nobody that's coming for liberation. But in the last days, the devil is going to talk about reparations. He's going to talk about reparations. He's going to talk about giving you all this money to keep you from taking back your planet.
Oh, okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't give a damn about no Black's Law Dictionary, because my thing is, if the white man didn't want you to know about it, you couldn't go to no Barnes and Nobles to get it. Otherwise, you could have gotten it from Barnes and Nobles in 1947. All this is one thing. You want money, and the Brotherhood has already said that you're supposed to get your planet back. Now, what's it going to be? You going to go for a few 30 pieces of silver, or you going to get your doggone planet back? You understand what I'm saying? Number two, like I said, you, in your original form, you was not into what this particular civilization that you see, even in Hemmitt. All you Egyptologists, and believe me, I'm an Egyptologist too. That's what I'm trained in as far as things. You did not come from Hemmitt. You came from Atlantis and Lemuria or Alchemoria, places that you don't want to claim. Now the damn white boy claiming it. And at that particular time, just like Manetho said, you were gods. And anything that you could think of in your mind, you used to could do with your body, both physical and spiritual. So therefore, if the earth is taking another spin in the 26,000 year history and going back to the original form, all the doggone things that you're trying to build is not even the point. You won't even recognize this planet in the next 2-3 years. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore, my concern is not for you to get all caught up in trying to get paid and trying to make equal this white man society. At this particular time, you're supposed to be doing one thing and one thing only, and that's becoming gods. And anything that you spend time on is keeping you from going within. You understand what I'm saying?